Disney. Just hearing the name conjures up images of beloved characters, magical theme parks, and unforgettable stories. For nearly a century, Disney has held a special place in our hearts. It's the company that brought us Mickey Mouse, Snow White, and countless other iconic figures. From classic animated films to blockbuster Marvel and Star Wars movies, Disney has always been synonymous with entertainment. But Disney is more than just movies. It's a global entertainment giant with a finger in every pie. They own theme parks around the world, a fleet of cruise ships, and a treasure trove of intellectual property. They're even making waves in the streaming world with Disney+. Disney is everywhere. This vast reach makes Disney a fascinating company for investors. We all know the brand, but is that enough to make it a good investment? Should you buy a piece of the Magic Kingdom? Let's dive into the numbers and find out. Disney's stock performance has been a bit of a roller coaster ride lately. After reaching all-time highs in 2021, the stock has come down to earth. It's down about 17% over the past year and 9% since the start of 2025. That's not exactly magical, but it's important to keep things in perspective. The market overall has been volatile. Many companies have seen their stock prices take a hit. Looking back further, Disney's stock has still delivered solid returns for long-term investors. But the recent slump has some folks worried. Is the magic fading? To understand what's going on, we need to look at the factors driving these price swings. So, what's got Disney stock feeling a little down in the dumps? A few things are spooking investors. First, the streaming wars are heating up. Disney Plus has been a huge success, but it's facing fierce competition from Netflix, Amazon, Apple, and others. Subscriber growth has slowed, and Disney Plus even had to raise prices recently. Second, the economy is giving everyone a bit of a stomachache. Inflation is still a concern, and some folks are worried about a recession. When times get tough, people often cut back on discretionary spending, like theme park vacations and streaming subscriptions. Finally, there's some uncertainty about Disney's future leadership. Bob Iger returned as CEO in 2022 to right the ship, but he won't be around forever. Investors are eager to see who will take the reins next and what direction they'll steer the company in. Despite these challenges, Disney isn't just sitting around waiting for a fairy godmother to make everything better. They've got, big plans for the future. On the streaming front, they're investing heavily in new content for Disney+. Think more Marvel and Star Wars shows, along with new original movies and series. They're also exploring ways to bundle Disney Plus with Hulu and ESPN Plus to create a more compelling package for subscribers. In the theme parks, Disney is always looking for ways to innovate and attract new visitors. They're investing billions in new attractions, like the highly anticipated Tron Light Cycle Run roller coaster at Disney World, and they're constantly adding new experiences based on their latest films and franchises. Disney is also looking to the future of entertainment. They're investing in cutting-edge technology, like the metaverse, to create immersive new experiences for fans, and they're exploring new business models like NFTs to engage with their audience in innovative ways. So, is Disney stock a dream come true for long-term investors? The answer, as with most things in investing, is, it depends. Disney is a fantastic company with a rich history, powerful brands, and a bright future. They're not going anywhere anytime soon, but they're facing some real challenges in the near term. The streaming wars are intense, the economy is uncertain, and there's always the risk of new competition. If you're looking for a stock that's going to skyrocket overnight, Disney might not be the one. But if you're a long-term investor who believes in the power of Disney's brands and their ability to adapt to the ever-changing world of entertainment, then Disney could be a magical addition to your portfolio. Just remember, even fairy tales have their ups and downs.